Newborn health complications are harrowing for parents to navigate. The uncertainty of their baby's health causes anxiety, making it difficult to take part in care alongside the NICU team. To be active participants, parents need rapid education and insights specific to their baby. This has always been a challenge for hospitals to provide, but that's about to change. Introducing NicoBoard. NicoBoard is a mobile application that puts parents at the center of care. Designed by NICU parents and clinicians, NicoBoard empowers parents in 3 important ways. First, parents are served evidence-based education, tailored to their baby's specific diagnoses. Second, raw data on stability, development, and growth is transformed into insights and visuals that allow parents to participate in care. And finally, parents are able to be more hands-on through built-in participation prompts and a diary to document the NICU journey, with shareable photos, videos, and journaling. The result is an improvement in outcomes for infants and reduced costs for health systems and insurance companies. There's a better way for parents and NICU teams to work together, and NicoBoard makes it possible. Contact us today to learn more and receive a live demo.